Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here, from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the HVAC system fuses are located, you have multiple fuses that you need to check in up to 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses, guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road, guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So guys, if you want to find where the HVAC system, heater, ventilation and AC system fuses are located on that generation Ford Edge, we'll demonstrate today where you can find them. But you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. What you guys need to do, open the driver door, and here under the dash on the driver's side, you see right here it's your parking brake paddle. On the left side of it you have a cover, remove it. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So where you can, guys, expect to find these fuses? Those fuses will be for climate control, also known as climatronic heater or HVAC system. First we need to check 2 fuses in this fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check a few more. The first fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 37. We're talking about that 10M fuse right here. The second fuse that you need to check specifically, guys, is known as fuse number 46, and we're talking about this 10M fuse right there. Now, if you open the hood on your Ford Edge, under the hood, that's your car battery. On the driver's side you have that fuse box. Open the cover and you're going to find that layout here. Here we need to find a few more fuses, guys. You may have all of them or some of them, depending on exactly, guys, okay, which model, which option package you have, Ford Edge, multiple things like that. So we're going to start with fuse number 18. So fuse number 18, guys, okay, if you come right here, okay, we're talking about that fuse right there, 40M fuse. Check that one, fuse number 18. Then we need to check fuse number 62. So that's 65, 64, 63, 62. That fuse right here will be 62, guys. Then we need to check fuse number 70. So if you come in that row of fuses, that's 67, 68, 69, 70. Right here, that fuse will need to be checked. Then we have one more that we need to check specifically, and that's fuse number 75. You may or may not have this one, but that's the diode fuse. Okay, you will have that one for sure. That's for the AC system. Okay, that fuse is a diode fuse right here, but you will need to check that one as well. All these fuses control climate control, heater, HVAC system, guys, on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.